And now, here's a sediment stop installation. Be sure to prepare the soil, including any necessary application of lime, fertilizer, and seed, prior to the installation of sediment stop. Before you begin the installation, cut a 3-inch deep by 9-inch wide trench along the contour of the slope. Be sure to place excavated soil upslope from the anchor trench. Once the trench is ready, unroll the sediment stop so that the section with the 2-foot wide top netting, known as the splash apron, is the downslope end. The splash apron should cover the anchor trench and extend approximately 1 foot beyond the lower edge of the anchor trench. Secure the sediment stop in the anchor trench by placing a row of staples or stakes on 12-inch centers across its entire length. Then, completely secure the splash apron by installing a second row of staples or stakes across the entire lower edge of the splash apron. Install the staples or stakes on approximately 12-inch centers, staggered with the first row of staples or stakes. Now, begin rolling the sediment stop from its upper edge, or upslope edge, into a consistent roll diameter until the entire roll is located in the anchor trench. In some cases, a larger diameter structure is needed or desired. If the need occurs, simply place some additional organic material such as straw, leaves, pine needles, or lawn clippings across the entire width of the sediment stop prior to rolling. Now secure the entire sediment stop structure to the slope by driving stakes through the center of the roll. Space the stakes at every 3 feet on center. If you seam 2 sediment stop structures together, be sure there is an 8-inch overlap of the adjacent structures prior to rolling them up. Be sure a stake is driven through the seam. The final diameter of the sediment stop structure will determine the length of the stakes to be used. Be sure to leave a sufficient amount of stake exposed above the structure to be sure that it has not been compressed. Remember that both longitudinal ends of the structure should be angled up the slope. Finally, backfill and compact the soil into the upslope portion of the anchor trench. Smooth and level any remaining soil that is above the sediment stop that was not used to backfill the anchor trench. Then, place seed along the upslope portion of the sediment stop if required. If you need detailed specific recommendations, contact your nearest authorized North American Green distributor or call North American Green Technical Services.